Hello, I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. I'm here with my brother John. He is building a house in Elk River. It's going to be a slab on grade, right?
Yep.
So here we've got the garage right behind me, and then the house is over there. They dug the footings yesterday, and we just thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you along the process kind of what's involved with building the house. And it'll be helpful if you're in radon mitigation to kind of see the layout of footings and stuff like that. We start by removing the concrete blankets, which kept the ground from freezing overnight. Then we set up the laser, which is used to find our heights, and then lay out our form boards. Next, we use the plan to lay out the footings. We want to make sure everything is square, and we find our corners first, and use the laser to set the heights of those stakes. Then we lay out a string line so that Robbie can put in these height stakes. So my dad is here, taught me everything I know. Been coming to work with him since I was knee-high to a grasshopper, and he'll kind of explain what we've done so far and what our next steps are.
We dug the hole yesterday. We came this morning, staked everything out, laid everything out. We've got our height stakes in after that. Now we're in the process of putting the forms up that we're going to pour our footings inside of.
But Robbie's installing what's called the spreader now. It's a piece of rebar that's bent, and it's 16 inches wide. Our garage footings are going to be 16 inches wide, house footings 20 inches wide, and they'll be 8 inches deep. And that chunk of clay that Johnny's putting there will hold the board in place until we are ready to backfill. Now my 5-year-old nephew, Henry, and I are in the excavator backfilling the forms, and this will hold them in place as the concrete is poured. Henry was not super excited about giving his 3-year-old sister a ride in the excavator, but we were able to convince him. And there's the boss, Henry himself. Yep. Now we're installing the center footings and the stair footings for the house and backfilling those as well. We want to make sure everything's level because it gives the block layers a nice platform to work off of. All right, so we've got the footing boards in and we've covered it because it's going to get below freezing. Monday they're going to get their footing inspection, and then they'll pour the concrete in the footings. After that, they're going to start on the block walls, and then the excavator will come back Monday and put in the driveway as well. So if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of this, please comment below. If there's something specific you want to see, put that in the comments as well. I'm Jesse with American Radon. Thank you so much for watching.
How much is 15 minutes?
Stay tuned.